What's up, guys? It's Samuel.
It's Lucas.
And today we are reacting to Megadeth.
Tornado of Souls, man.
It's the first time hearing it, so let's check it out. Yeah, this is live, by the way, London, 1992, if you didn't read it. Not gonna lie, not a single word registered in my brain with what he just said. But the music sounds good.
So far, so good.
Bro, that guitar, that flying V guitar is sick.
Yeah, it's dope.
That's so sick. And correct me if I'm wrong, the guy singing and playing that white guitar, that's Dave Mustaine, right? The guy that started Metallica. Right?
Let us know.
Comment. The song is nice. This song is a good song.
So, I mean, as far as we're concerned, 80s and 90s metal, it's just so much better than current day metal. But if there are songs that are more current, let us know in the comments if you want us to react to them. Maybe you can change our minds.
Yeah, so when did this song actually come out? Because, yeah, this is 1992 performance, but when did the song come out? Let us know that, too. I'm curious. When they're playing guitar, none of these guys have like faces. Just hair just right here. Looks pretty funny. But they're doing their thing.
They're killing it.
They're ripping on it.
That was good.
Yeah, that was a really good. The guitars in there are so good.
They are,
just the
man.
dual guitars. Just the riff in the middle that Mustaine was playing. That was so hard.
Yeah, I mean the song
It
was
sounded so good.
it was decently long. 5 minutes isn't crazy, but that whole song I could enjoy it.
So big question: is
Is
it
it
playlist worthy?
Absolutely.
Yes, this was a good recommendation.
So good.
We're more familiar with like Metallica. We've listened to a decent amount of Metallica, but Megadeth not as much. But they sounded really
Sounded
really good.
phenomenal. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, be sure to comment what you want us to react to next. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with the videos we post. And yeah, just continue supporting the channel, guys, and we'll keep on making videos. See you next time.